Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to make a cute birthday card using the Country Woods Designer Series paper and the Hooray for Surprises stamp set. I am using one of the card sketches on the page 22, I believe, in the catalog. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But first, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have the Time for Cake Paper Pumpkin Kit. Makes 9 cards. Night of Navy is the stamping spot. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can purchase the Every Celebration Dies add-on for $12 while supplies last. This die set does coordinate with July, August, and September Paper Pumpkin kits. And there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin if you have not already done so. Next, we have our Designer Series paper sale. You can get 15% off of 14 of the Designer Series papers that Stampin' Up offers. We have things like Bright and Beautiful, Perennial Lavender, Mediterranean Blooms. We have the Wildly Flowering, Unbounded Beauty, To Market, and that's just some of them. But also in the month of August, we have our bonus days going on. So if you earned any coupons last month, now is the time to redeem those $5 coupons that you received in the mail from Stampin' Up, okay? Be sure to use the monthly host code when you're placing your order. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? That is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project. So we're going to start right off with some stamping. I have some basic white here that is 1 7/8 by 1 7/8 by 1 1/8, and then we have some basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and we are going to stamp Make a Wish, and we're using basic gray ink. We're going to stamp Make a Wish right on here, just like that. And then for the inside, we're going to put Hope Your Birthday is Wonderful. So I'll put that about right there. Okay, and that is all of our stamping. So we'll close that up. Let's get our Designer Series paper piece. I have a piece here that's 5 1/8, and it's about 4 1/2 inches long. And we're going to just decorate the inside of our card with this. So we're going to put this right about here for the inside of our card, just like that. Then I have some Designer Series paper here. This one is 2 1/4 by 4 1/2, and this one here is 3 1/2 by 2 3/4. And we're going to layer everything on some gold foil. I am not 100% sure if gold foil is still available, but I'm using it because I have it. So everything is just an 1/8 inch larger than the measurements that I gave you. So this piece is going to be 2 by 1 1/4. And we are going to mount this together. I really don't like using liquid glue when I'm using foil because it can make a mess. But this is what I have. We'll just try to get everything where it needs to be the first time around. Okay, so the foil for this piece is going to be 3 5/8 by 2 7/8. I really should probably just put that glue around the edges. Oh, yeah. We're gonna see. Yep, I already see some squirting out. Okay. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I need to pull it over just a little bit. Okay, and then the gold piece for this one, what was the measurements for this again? 2 1/4. So that means the gold is 2 3/8 by 4 5/8. And we're gonna put this. I keep pausing in my speech because it's storming outside and I keep hearing a noise. You know, I'm just trying to figure out what it is I'm hearing. Okay, so we have that. We're going to let that dry for a second while we put the inside to our card together. So we're just going to take this. Our card base is petal pink, and it's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Ooh, and I didn't get this on here straight. That's okay. Let me get my bone folder and burnish this down, that score line. Okay, so now we're gonna take, oh, this piece has some, it has a adhesive sheet on the back of this. This probably was when, yeah, this is old. So I hope we still sell gold foil sheet. Let me see, does this one have it? No. So I used to put adhesive sheets on the back of all of my foil paper. Why? I don't know. I just did. Let's see. I want that about right there. Then we're going to take some Stampin' Dimensionals. Oh, this has foil, adhesive sheet on the back too, but it's only on a little bit. So I'm going to just take that off. Get my Stampin' Dimensionals. I have a bunch of edge pieces I need to use up here. So let's use them up. So I want to put this on a little better than that. Twist it around. I'm trying to cover, man, what's going on at the top here? I'm trying to cover most of that adhesive sheet so that it won't make our sentiment flat in the middle. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the backings. Oh my goodness. Having no fingernails is not good. I can't wait for my nails to grow back. Okay. Then we're going to take this Make-A-Wish and we're going to just put it on here like that. And then we have some bling. We're going to add the Adhesive-Backed swirl dots. This is part of the Latte Suite online. It's an online exclusive. And we're going to use the petal pink if I can pull it out. So we're going to put a couple of these on here. And I'm not worried about this being bumped up because this is going to be hand delivered. Let's see. So I can make it as thick as I need to or thick as I want to. So that's what we're going to do. Just like that. And that is our card done. I'm looking, I think I should have tried to stamp some kind of decoration in the background. I could have used like the flower that's on here and put a background on there. That's just the way you can step it up. But that is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love the gold foil on there. I want to show you the inspiration for this card. If I can get it in here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this box. This is what inspired me. See how it has the gold trim? Yeah. And I didn't have this swirly stuff with gold, but I thought the wood grain worked perfect. That was my inspiration for my card. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.